Let's look at this question on what Federal Civil Service Commission, past question and answer. The question is on what salary increase, and the question says a civil servant salary is 80,000 naira. If it is increased by 15%, what is the new salary? I want to leave you this question to try and answer by yourself, because this question is very important for those that are working in finance, and this question is also important for those that are head of any administrative offices. If you want to increase the salary of people that are under you, how do you do it? Step 1, we find 15% of 80,000 naira, which is what? 15 over 100 times 80,000. And this gives us 12,000 naira. By saying 15 times 80,000 divided by 100, we are going to have 12,000. That means 12,000 is the money that you are going to add it to his previous salary, which is 80,000 naira. So step 2 now is for us to add the increase to the original salary. The original salary is 80,000, while the increase is 12. When we add it, we are going to have 92,000 naira. So in summary, you find the 50% of 80,000, which is 15 over 100 times 80. Then when you times it, we are going to have 12,000 naira. And the step 2 is for you to add that 12,000 to 80,000, and you are going to get 92,000 naira. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye.